Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, here on the gold market we will make just mild update, since as you can see recent sessions are not really very significant. So market mostly is calling in a tight range. At the same time, yesterday, despite the dollar weakness, you can see that gold market wasn't able to show any significant action in upward direction. 2 days ago, as we said, even on the poor statistics from the United States on the consumption, as you can see, market has made an attempt to move higher but failed and just test the monthly pivot point, return right back down. So currently we think that the downward continuation on the gold market seems very significant. Especially today we've got the new statistics from the SPDR fund, from the other ETF that work on the gold market, and on the 8 major most big ETFs, the storage stands on the 5 years low. The SPDR fund has shown the 4 tons outflow on Tuesday, so that's really big outflow for one session. Right now the storages stands approximately at 7 or 9 tons, 709 tons. If you remember, on the last week the storages was 715 tons. So the outflow is continuing, and in such situation, taking the long position on the gold market looks really unsafe and dangerous. That's why we think that downward continuation is very probable. The small update to the daily chart is that here we could get this steep ABCD pattern. This retracement was approximately 30% or maybe even greater, so that's why we could apply it and use as the ABCD pattern. And to take a look at the target of this ABCD stands approximately in the area of daily average sold, right in the lower border of this flag, and very close to the weekly pivot support one. So that's could be the next direction. It's approximately 1150. That's what we have said on the last week and 2 weeks ago, so that's really could happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, it's also nothing to add significantly. The one thing that probably could happen here, take a look at the price action. So market has shift trend to bullish, although it doesn't form the lower highs, but it mostly stands flat and can't continue move higher. Even this nicely looking attempt has failed, market retracted back down right from the hour confidence resistance and the monthly pivot or weekly pivot resistance one. So this could be the sign of the bearish dynamic pressure when the market stands flat at the bullish trend, especially after the drop. Something of that sort, as you can see. That's why this also points on the possible further downward continuation. Very short-term target, closest target is 1175 support. That will be weekly pivot support one, support resistance there. As you can see, this market has tested it many times previously, and that will be the major 618 support, 1175. So that's the closest target to the downside. But in a medium-term perspective, as we said, the major target on the daily time frame chart stands, of course, on the opposite border of this flag that market has failed to break to the upside. So that's all that we could say on the gold market. Let's see what will happen. But guys, if you are searching for the taking the short here, it's probably not bad area to do this right here, because the market will accelerate lower. It will be a bit more difficult to take the position. Right now, while market has coiling at the support and shows real weakness, the market wasn't able to pass through to the upside, has failed around confidence resistance and already has tested this resistance. Maybe the taking the short will be relatively safe. But think by yourself. Our thought here is that probably at least the chances, the odds suggest that the downward action is more probable right now in the gold market.